Welcome to Lean & Green Michigan's PACE Partner Training video number 7, Energy Audit and Useful Life Calculation. An energy audit or modeling is a critical step in the PACE process. We will discuss the initial energy analysis, ASHRAE Level 2 energy audit requirements, energy modeling, the definition of useful life, and useful life considerations. We always recommend that an energy audit or model be completed by a qualified, independent third party. The goal of a baseline energy audit or modeling is to identify the current operations of the building, especially areas causing high energy spending that have the potential for improvements leading to big savings. The audit should seek comprehensive solutions, which result in a well-designed project, an energy-efficient building, and save money. We always recommend taking a holistic approach, even if not all of the needed improvements will become part of the PACE project. An energy audit should identify how to improve the whole building, bearing in mind that often measures with long-term paybacks can cash flow best when mixed with short-term payback measures. Many PACE contractors are willing to conduct an initial energy analysis or walkthrough of the property. The PACE contractor or consultant may visit the property, review historical utility bills, and generally gather information about what the property owner wants and needs. They are often able to provide a general estimate on the viability of a project for the property owner and make suggestions for how best to address the current problems the building is having. It's always better to learn that some caulking and building sealing may alleviate the leaking windows before spending money to replace them all. The nature and complexity of the energy audit or model required will vary depending on the project. We have based our audit standards on those developed by the American Society of Heating, Refrigerating, and Air Conditioning Engineers, or ASHRAE. For PACE energy projects that have a total assessment value of $250,000 or less, Lean & Green Michigan requires the submission of an ASHRAE Level 1 audit report. PACE energy projects that are over $250,000 require an ASHRAE Level 2 energy audit. The auditor must have licenses or credentials appropriate for the project at hand, certified energy manager, engineer, etc. We are always happy to address any questions that auditors or property owners have about the requirements and what we expect to see in the report. Generally, we are looking for a demonstration that the proposed measures will result in a more efficient building, and unless waived by the property owner, the project must demonstrate a savings to investment ratio, SIR, greater than 1. For more information on the SIR, please refer to video number 8. It is important to note that while the cost of the audit may seem high, it is an eligible PACE cost and can be included in the overall financing. Of course, it is vital that the measures proposed are eligible for PACE financing. For more information on the types of energy efficiency, water efficiency, renewable energy, and environmental hazard measures that are eligible for PACE financing, please refer to video number 2. Not all projects will focus on an existing property or may consist of a property undergoing a significant gut rehab. For all new construction PACE projects, an energy model may be completed in lieu of an energy audit. The model is a great alternative to identify and quantify energy usage of a building design. There are several systems used to assume energy usage, including ASHRAE standards, software approved by the U.S. Department of Energy, DOE, and/or requiring that energy modeling staff have completed 5 prior energy models and have Certified Energy Manager certification from the Association of Energy Engineers, AEE. The energy model should identify proposed measures and describe how the measures and resulting building will exceed applicable requirements of the Michigan Uniform Energy Code and Parts 10 and 10A of the Construction Code. Whether it is a simple ASHRAE Level 1 audit or a complex energy model, we are here to address any questions you may have and are happy to review draft reports. One key element of either an audit or a model is the useful life of the proposed measures. Useful life is an estimate of the number of years the equipment is likely to remain in service. Useful life calculations are required for all PACE projects, as the term of the PACE financing cannot be greater than the calculated useful life. We anticipate that the completed audit or model will provide a useful life calculation for each measure, with an explanation or justification for each. If there is a significant deviation from industry or DOE standards for the useful life of a measure, we will be happy to review particular justifications. For example, a manufacturer's warranty or the modeled usage of energy conservation measures, or ECMs, over time. We also expect the completed audit or model will show a blended useful life, showing one combined useful life for the whole project. Congratulations! You have completed video number 7. Please proceed to the next video.